Hello everyone, I am Rohit Singh.
And I am Shivam.
We are the students of Speaking Academy. Today we are perform an activity which name is icebreaking. So let's start. Hi,
Hello. What's your name?
my name is Rohit and what's your name?
My name is Shivam. And where are you from?
I am from Balaji Behrampur, Ghaziabad, and you?
I am from Adarsh Colony, Vijayanagar, Ghaziabad. And what do you do?
I am a student from Doom Public School. What's your school name?
I am also a student of BPS and my school name is BPS.
How old are you?
I am 16 years old. And you?
I am 14 years old. Tell me about your family.
In my family, my mother and father and my brother and also me. And my brother is very naughty. And what? Tell me about your family.
There are 4 members in my family. Me, my sister, my parents. And my father's profession is engineering. And what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is black and yours.
Yellow. What do you like in food?
I like in food Manchurian and you?
I like in eat food curry chawal. Shall we become friends?
Yes, why not?
Thank you.